Okay, so let's test. After wiring is done, then programming is done. Program is loaded to the PLC, then we can monitor. Okay, you can now test your work. Okay, what you will do first, selector switch, put it in hand position. Okay, so ang nangyayari dyan, yung magnetic contactor na magso-short dun sa gagawin niyang delta connection yung motor. Alam nyo na yung delta connection. U1, W2, B1, U2, W1, B2. Okay, then, okay, naka-delta connection na yung motor. Please, forward. Okay, forward. Then, yung motor natin, umiikot din. Tinanggal nyo yung tape. Bakit tinanggal nyo yung tape? Wala na tuloy indication. Okay, careful ha. Baka okay, stop. Okay, again. And then, reverse. Okay, yung program natin, dapat maintindihan nyo paano gumagana yung ladder program. Then, paano naman gumagana yung mga connection nyo dito. Okay?